Hey everyone, welcome back to Floorland. Today we're diving into something both stylish and sustainable, eco-friendly artificial grass. Whether you're looking to revamp your garden, balcony, or even indoor space, artificial grass is a fantastic choice. But how do you pick the most environmentally friendly option, especially in a hot climate like Dubai? Stay tuned as we break it down for you. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that bell icon for more home improvement tips. Tip 1. Check the materials. First up, materials. Not all artificial grass is created equal. The most eco-friendly options are made from recycled materials like plastic bottles or rubber. They reduce waste and are free from harmful chemicals like lead or toxic dyes, making them safer for both the environment and your family. Tip 2. Look for durability. Next, you'll want to consider durability. Dubai's scorching temperatures can be tough on your lawn, so opt for artificial grass that is heat-resistant and UV stabilized. This ensures it won't fade or degrade quickly, reducing the need for frequent replacements. A big win for the environment. Tip 3. Water conservation benefit. One of the key reasons to choose artificial grass is the water conservation benefits. In Dubai's desert climate, maintaining a natural lawn can waste thousands of liters of water. Switching to artificial grass not only cuts down on water usage, but also reduces your water bill, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Tip 4. Infill materials matter. Crucial but often overlooked element is the infill material. Go for natural options like cork or sand instead of rubber or plastic pellets. These materials are not only sustainable, but also help with drainage and keep the surface cooler underfoot. A big plus in Dubai's hot climate. So there you have it. 4 key tips for choosing eco-friendly artificial grass in Dubai. It's all about being mindful of the materials, ensuring durability, and reducing your environmental impact. If you're ready to give your space a green makeover, make sure to choose wisely for the environment. For consultation and to explore a wide range of eco-friendly options, visit floorland.ae and get in touch with our team. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.